Nokia that is smashed, but it still works. And we're going to see what damage we can do to it. If you may. Now let's see it.
Do again.
Whoa! That was good damage.
You can hear it cracking.
Yeah. Let's see the damage. Let's see the damage.
Slight damage. Oh, I smell burning. Slight bit of damage done, lads. Not really that bad, but you smell a burn. It's not too bad, like, look.
It'll still work.
It still works, look.
It's still
Look at the circuit board in it. These are actually really hard to find.